नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of concern is dengue fever. Dengue fever, alternative names are onion Nying fever, West Nile fever, break bone fever, and dengue-like disease. There are three persons are interacted each other. One is a virus, second is us, and third is a mosquito. There is an interaction between all three. The virus, dengue virus, have four types, type 1 to type 4, namely very cleverly. Transmitted by mosquito, Indian National Airlines, airliner for most germs. In India, first outbreak of dengue was recorded in 1812. A double peak hemorrhagic fever epidemic occurred in India for the first time in Calcutta between July 1963 and March 1964. In New Delhi, outbreak of dengue fever reported in 1967, 70, 82 and 96. This is an electron microscopy image of dengue fever. It should be infected by the Aedes aegypti, infected female mosquito. This is the aircraft of dengue. Dengue virus causes dengue and dengue hemorrhagic fever. It is an arbovirus transmitted by mosquito and composed of single stranded RNA and has four serotypes dengue 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each serotype provides specific lifetime immunity and short-term cross-immunity. All serotypes can cause severe and fatal disease. Genetic variations within serotype. Some genetic variants within each serotype appear to be more virulent and have greater epidemic potential. Day biting. The mosquito has some important facts like day biting normally catches us unaware and it loves and live in a fresh water in home. Lay eggs preferentially in jars, discarded container, coconut shell, and old tires. It year around breeding. Tropical regions like our mother India are its favorite zone. It is an urban mosquito. You can see this aircraft Aedes aegypti. This special mosquito transmits many dangerous illnesses. Dengue fever uh, has four flavors cause it. It is transmitted by mosquito Aedes aegypti. It is generally an animal virus. Man is accidentally infected. Other vertebrates are the reservoir. Dengue transmission cycle you can see. The clinical features include like any other viral fever, not clear cut. Dengue fever with muscle pain. This is a classical presentation in 90% cases. In 7% there is a fever with bleeding, and in 3% the dangerous form occurs. Bleeding from where? Bleeding from everywhere, from skin, gums, nose, food passages, and in urine. 2 to 7 days after the mosquito had its dinner on us, we may develop sudden onset of fever, chill and headache, back pain with severe muscle and joint pain, pain behind the ear on moving the behind the eyes on moving the eyes, and nickname is also called the breakbone fever, pain so severe. Rat patches and spot on the skin. There is a mild nose bleeding. This is a ordinary classical non-dangerous form. There is a human and human two. These are the according to days. There is a viremia in human one. There is viremia, and extrinsic incubation period is there. And extrinsic incubation period means that person already have the dengue fever, but now he is recovered from that, and this is called the extrinsic incubation period. And now that in mosquito feed acquires the virus and mosquito refeed transmit the virus and intrinsic incubation period there is a viremia in human too. What is the end result? Complete recovery is the rule. Severe weakness may persist for many days after the fever leaves us. See, there is a skin bleeding. The bleeding from blood vessels are affected. There is severe oozing into tissue, bleeding into all possible parts of body. Blood clotting mechanism is disrupted, blood pressure falls, and many end in collapse and death. In the best centers, 5% of this type of dengue will reach their forefathers. Bleeding into the eye. See, there is a large bleeding into the skin, bleeding spots in the skin. Rare type of dengue has the brain fever, liver damage, heart damage, severe bleeding into stomach. What are the tests we needed? Are the routine blood tests, check the clotting process, special tests to identify the dengue or its foot marks in our blood, urine to check the protein leak. There are actually four dengue clinical syndrome: undifferentiated fever, classical dengue fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, and dengue shock syndrome. Dengue shock syndrome is actually a severe form of dengue hemorrhagic fever. Clinical case definition for dengue hemorrhagic fever. Necessary criteria is fever with recent history of acute fever, hemorrhagic manifestation, low platelet count, less than 1 lakh, objective evidence of leaky capillaries, and elevated hematocrit. Low albumin and pleural and other effusions are there. Clinical case definition for dengue shock syndrome. There are four criteria for DHF plus evidence of circulatory failure manifested indirectly by all of the following: rapid and weak pulse, narrow pulse pressure less than 20, or hypotension for 8, cold clammy skin, and altered mental status. Frank shock is direct evidence of circulatory failure. Special test includes the ELISA in IgM capture ELISA. Treatment supportive measures include mosquito screening, avoid aspirin and painkiller, steroid should not be used, plenty of water and salt. Children below 12 years require careful watch for dangerous form, no antibiotics are to be proven value. Child with severe form of dengue have oxygen, IV fluid, special care, see the tube everywhere. Severe dengue is only a childhood illness. No, all ages may be involved. And severe form is a problem of poor families. No, the affluent do get very sick. There is no vaccine available as yet, but we can prevent the disease by preventing ourselves from the mosquito bite. Mosquito control is a must. Do not allow empty vessels, coconut shell, plastic container, flower pot, tires, collect rainwater. Frequently empty all water storage and cover all tanks to prevent mosquito breeding in fresh water. Screen your home with a mosquito screening net gun and wear full clothing, apply mosquito repellents, and keep dengue fever patient under mosquito net, and true community participation is the key. So this is a report evaluation of laboratory results. There is now a rapid kit dengue IgM and IgG is also available, which is like a pregnancy card test. Clinically suspected case of dengue, duration of illness less than 3 days if there, then viral isolation PCR. If negative, then dengue IgM detection should be done. If it is negative, IgM-MAC ELISA after 2 to 4 days. If it is negative, then there is no dengue illness and it is absolutely negative. But if these are the positive, then there is a dengue. If more than 3 days dengue IgM detection negative, then go for ELISA NS1 antigen. Then if it is positive, that means the patient is positive. So this is the life cycle how dengues go again and again after the larva. Um, these are the warning signs I already told you. This is Thank you so much. This is all about the dengue hemorrhagic shock syndrome. I hope you enjoyed this session. If any queries there, please mention it in comments.